You buy your dream home on the island, everything is perfect. Then a few years in, the deck is soft, the fixtures are rusting, and the AC is struggling. What happened? Coastal living is a dream, right up until the coast starts working on your house. The good news is that almost every one of those expensive surprises is preventable. Today we break down how to maintain a home in the Lowcountry so it stays as good as the place it sits in. This is Remodeling the Lowcountry with HHI Builders. Today we're really trying to save you some money and possibly a headache down the road. So we're talking about maintenance, things you can do, the importance. Y'all know Danielle from HHI Builders, and John is joining us from Sea Pines Real Estate. This is important. We really want to get your take on really deferred maintenance and how that affects property value and costs, things that you see in your world.
You know, I would say that about 10 to 15% of homeowners are doing a good job of keeping up with regular maintenance on their home. But the other 75, 85%, we just don't see it. People aren't keeping track of what improvements they've made to the home, but more important, the maintenance side of things. When you don't have, when you have wood rot, especially with decks, roofs, the elements here are really harsh on homes. And when a buyer goes in, purchases a house, puts it under contract, then the home inspection report reveals all of this stuff that wasn't kept up with during the home ownership. Not only does it make the buyer worried about the purchase, it often results in a negotiation on price.
Yeah. And we're in Sea Pines. You've got these beautiful homes. We're standing in front of one now. So it's easy to kind of wait until something goes wrong. But you're talking about maintenance before something goes wrong. And you mentioned something that is important to maybe chat about, the documentation of maintenance. Yes. Do people do that?
Again, it's probably about a 15% number.
Yeah, okay.
You know, we were just in a property not too long ago. The seller had a notebook with every receipt for every system in the house, every appliance. She had a list of all the vendors that she had worked with.
That's awesome.
And immediately it puts your buyer at ease.
Yes.
In Sea Pines, you're competing against any other home that's listed. And it's important to put your home in the best light possible against the competition. And doing that is with regular maintenance.
Yeah.
And keeping track of it.
Keeping track. Well, those are good pointers because, you know, it's going to save us money just doing the regular maintenance. But then when you go to list the home, giving that buyer that peace of mind, or if you have work done on the home, allowing the people coming in to understand what has and has not been done. And this environment in particular, I'm sure there are some extra things that we need to think about just being here on the coast. Your thoughts there?
Well, the heat.
Yeah.
You know, we're experiencing it right now. We are very close to the ocean, so you've got the salt air. We have storms periodically. That storm damage, sometimes you don't even realize that it's occurred.
Yeah.
I just the other day was watching a video of law enforcement doing some training, and they were up on a deck. And while they were up there, the deck gave way. And what it made me think of is a lot of people in this community, they do short-term rentals.
Yeah.
When they come down here, people are entertaining on these decks.
Yes.
The last thing you want as a homeowner is to have your property there that you're putting out to be rented and have a tragic event like that could occur. Regular maintenance is going to ensure that that won't be the case.
Yes, absolutely. And I'm sure you probably see this, you know, with HHI Builders, you come in to do a remodel and probably a lot of times it's because, I mean, I'm sure there's aesthetic reasons too, but there might be some maintenance that didn't happen that could wind up costing them more money, making more work? What do you see?
Oh, absolutely, especially the wood rot. And John and I work together all the time. We're usually the ones that he calls when they
Absolutely.
find those issues, and we come out to site and look at it and get it taken care of for him. But mainly, yes, with the humidity here, the wood rot, checking your house, the exterior, the paint, looking for, you know, moisture encroachment, things like that.
Yeah, it's a beautiful place to live, but there are some extra considerations we need to make, it sounds like, in terms of maintenance. So
Yes, ma'am.
really good pointers for people. I'm going to start keeping record because I'm in that 75-85% that it does not. So now I know what to do. Y'all are
Absolutely.
great. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll be back with more Remodeling the Lowcountry after this break. Stick with us.